Hello everybody. Today let's see some of the features of free conference call. So in the Google search window I shall type free conference call. Here is the link to the home page. Now for signing up I shall continue with Facebook. Here I would like to host a meeting. Now we shall join with computer audio.
Welcome and thank you for choosing FreeConferenceCall.com. You're helping people around the world communicate for free. You are the only participant in the conference.
So at the base, we see the toolbar. Here we can mute and unmute ourselves by clicking on this symbol. We can leave the meeting by clicking over here and end the call. We can switch off our video or keep it on. We can invite participants by clicking over here. So we can copy this link like this and then send the mail or message the participants this link. We can share our screen. So we have the options of sharing some PowerPoint presentations or different windows that are open on our screen. So I would select this PowerPoint presentation and start sharing it. So now this PowerPoint presentation is being shared. Once I'm completed this discussion on this topic, I can stop the sharing. So I can select the item to share, pause the screen and stop the screen sharing. Now we can use pen, eraser, arrow, color, or normally erase all the drawings by sharing the whiteboard. We can record the meeting. You can get a list of participants over here. So we can control the participants' mics. We can lock the meeting. We can see their question and answers over here. We can make use of the chat box. We can send attachments via this chat box and smileys. So once our meeting is over, we can end the meeting in this way. So thank you all. And leave the meeting.